Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Deondra. Today I'm doing an unboxing video using my new J Organic Solutions products. So I'm really excited to try these. I've never tried this brand before, but they sent me some products, and so now we're gonna open the box. Alright, so it comes with this healthy hair regiment paper, and it has instructions on the back and tips for how you can wash your hair with this kit. So the first product is the J Organic Solutions Hydra Moisture Moringa Shea Hair Yogurt. It says it's for kids and adults with extremely dry hair. No sulfate, no parabens, no artificial color, no sodium chloride, no alcohol, and no animal testing. Alright, so let's open this. Okay. That is definitely a butter. It smells really good. It has shea butter in it, so that's why it smells so good. It says the Moringa Shea Hair Yogurt is made with natural ingredients that will keep your hair healthy, nourished, and moisturized. It can be used as pre-wash treatment, leave-in moisturizer, hair sealant, or curl enhancer. This hair yogurt will deeply moisturize your hair while promoting natural hair growth. A little is needed to keep your hair looking shiny and beautiful. Okay, so I'll probably use this as like my pre-poo. I usually use some type of moisturizer or oil, but this says it can be used for your pre-poo, so we'll probably try that out. The next product is the Argan Oil Hair Mask with Keratin Protein. It says it's an ultra hydrating deep conditioning treatment with organic Moroccan argan oil and vitamin B5. Argan Oil Hair Mask delivers heat-infused aminos with a patented protein complex to repair damaged hair and restore proper moisture balance. So this is obviously a deep conditioner. Let's open it. It smells really, really good too. Alright, so that's going to be used as my deep conditioner. Alright, so next is the Growth Plus Hydrating Shampoo with aloe vera and green tea extract. It says it gently cleanses your hair and scalp while promoting growth. J Organic Solutions Hydrating Shampoo offers natural ingredients that cleanse your hair. This sulfate and paraben-free shampoo also provides nourishment for your scalp and hair that prevents it from feeling dry and brittle while also providing volume and shine. Alright, so I'm not going to take this out of the plastic, but obviously we're going to wash our hair with that. And this says Growth Plus Strengthening and Growth Moisturizer. Eliminates breakage and dryness with rice milk and sulfur. It says apply the Growth Plus Strengthening and Growth Moisturizer all over the hair from roots to ends after deep conditioning with the argan oil mask. It can also be used daily or as needed. Alright, so yeah, this is just like a lighter moisturizer, which is not as thick as the butter. Alright, this also smells really good. I love the way these products smell. Let's see what's in this bubble wrap. So this is an oil. It says Growth Plus promotes natural and healthy hair growth. Experience extreme natural hair growth like never before, up to 80% faster. It thickens and strengthens weak and damaged hair, which promotes thick, strong, growing hair. This is also in plastic, which I'm not going to open. So that's everything. I'm going to try to follow the instructions that they included with this kit. It says step 1, wash your hair once or twice with the shampoo, rinse it out. Step 2, apply the hair mask. And then step 3, apply the Growth Plus moisturizer all over your hair. Step 4, apply the Moringa Shea yogurt to your hair. And then step 5, apply the Growth Plus Scalp Simulator oil directly to your scalp. Alright y'all, so I'm looking forward to trying all of these products, and I will be back to let y'all know how I felt about them and to let you know where you can get these products as well. Make sure that you hit that subscribe button and also turn on my post notifications so that you don't miss that next video, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank y'all for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye!